Welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. This tutorial is about Autodesk Maya 2020 UV mapping, creating UV layout. So take a polygon sphere, scale the sphere just like this. Right click, assign new material, or press Shift plus T to assign new material. Select Lambert or Blinn. I take Blinn. Click on this Blinn color checker box. Select checker. Click on this textured icon or press 6 to see the texture effect. Now select the object. Go to UV editor. See, or go to workspace, change workspace Maya Classic to UV editing. Go to vertex mode, select the whole UV and scale it just like this. See the effect. Now go to face selection mode, click on this icon, press press spacebar, go to side view, select the upper half face of the sphere. Now go to UV planar, edit, reset the setting, select y-axis and click on this box, keep image width and height ratio. Click project. Now again go to vertex selection mode, select one or two vertex and right click, select component, select UV shell, click UV shell and see, select the UV shell, move the UV shell just here. Now go to edge selection mode, select the edge as shown. Go to perspective view, minimize the window just like this and select the edge as shown. Shift plus right click, Control G to undo. Shift, select. Now select this. Shift double click. Select this, Shift plus double click. I skip the video. When all the edges are selected, I will come back. See, the whole edge ring is selected just like this. See. Now go to UV. Again UV editor. Workspace, change Maya Classic, UV editor. See, select this. Now go to cut and sieve. Click cut and see. Again change Maya Classic to UV editing. Maya Classic UV editor. Now again go to vertex mode. Select the whole UV shell. Go to unfold, click unfold and see the effect. See the effect. Now right click, select component, select UV shell, select the UV shell. Again change workspace Maya Classic to UV editing. Select move tool, move the UV shell just here and see on this object. This is how you can create UV layout. You can scale the shell just like this or make it large and do the same for the lower half. Thanks for watching.